Want to turn on sound effects in Mobile Legends but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to turn on sound effects in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then select sound from the left side of your screen. Now here you can see sound effects. Then slide the button towards max option. And that's how you can turn on sound effects in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.